ng ating wig beans. Ito na yung malaki nating wig beans. Ayan, taniman natin.
Oh, look at this. There's two of them. So this I'm just gonna put them together. Hang on. Sabi na very beneficial daw pag tinanim mo sila next to celery tsaka radishes. So there's radish dito sa gilid. Ayan. Companion plants.
Ayan siya guys. Tingnan natin sa sulok. Tapang sa ating trellis na ginawa. Ayan.